So you've got a small apartment balcony, but you're dreaming of a green oasis? In this video, I'll show you easy balcony garden ideas for beginners, using a tiny apartment balcony as our example. No yard, no problem. Let's start. First, look at the space you already have. Notice the balcony floor, the railing, and where the sunlight hits during the day. This will guide what you can grow. If your balcony gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sun, you can grow herbs, leafy greens, and even compact vegetables. If it's shadier, focus on leafy greens and shade-tolerant plants. Now let's pick containers. For beginners, use lightweight pots or planters with drainage holes. You can use railing planters, floor pots, and a small shelf to create more space. Arrange your containers before you fill them. Put taller containers against the wall or corners. Place railing planters at the edge. Leave a small path so you can still walk and enjoy the space. Next, fill your containers with good quality potting mix. Avoid using heavy garden soil. Potting mix drains better and keeps roots healthy in small spaces. For easy beginner plants, start with herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and chives. Add leafy greens like lettuce or spinach. If you have more sun, you can grow cherry tomatoes in a deeper pot. Plant herbs near the railing or at the front of pots so they get good light and are easy to harvest. Put leafy greens in wider containers where they can spread out. Water slowly and deeply until water comes out of the drainage holes. On balconies, containers dry out faster, so check the soil regularly. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water again. To keep your balcony garden healthy, remove yellow leaves, trim herbs often, and rotate containers if some plants are stretching toward the light. With just a few containers, some potting mix, and beginner-friendly plants, you can turn a plain apartment balcony into a small green oasis. This is your balcony garden for beginners. Simple, small, and easy to care for. If you enjoyed these easy ideas for small apartments, please give us a like and subscribe for more balcony garden tips and small space gardening inspiration.